In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a buckle to a angled bracket. In some applications, to be able to bolt your buckle to the original mounting hole, you will have to use our bracket, which is included with the seatbelt kits that need it. Of course, you're going to need the buckle. It may not be this exact one, it's just for the video purposes, but you will have an angle bracket, a bolt, a nut, and a washer. And it's basically you just take the buckle, line it up with the hole on the bracket. Keep in mind the bracket may need to bend a certain direction depending on which vehicle it's going into. But you're going to just install it as you normally would. Put your lock washer on, put your bolt on, put your nut on, and torque it down with an actual wrench. Of course, at that point you can angle it slightly if need be, and it will be installed in your vehicle. Good to go. If you have any questions, give us a call, 405-736-0088, or you can send us an email through the website.